Alright, let me show you where I'm stuck when try to add nDisplay to an existing project or to create a blank project and add nDisplay to this blank project. Yeah, at first we need to create this blank project. I prefer games and blank. Test, create project. Okay, save. Before we continue, I need to show you that my config file and my nDisplay setup in other project working fine. Just hit run and yeah, this is everything works great. Thanks for that. And I have only one config file for this setup, so my idea is to show you that my config file is working fine and project is working fine, but this project was created from nDisplay template, not from blank template. So okay, now we have a blank game project and we have our quick start guide. And step 1, set up your project for nDisplay. And this is not our step, because this step is when you create new nDisplay template. We have an existing project and want to use it with nDisplay. And this instruction how to add nDisplay to an existing project. Okay, let's go here. And first step, we need to enable, first is this one. It's very interesting thing, because it says us to you will set up your project with special game mode and custom classes, but I can't find any further instructions about it. Maybe this is main reason why all is not working, but anyway, let's continue, do it step by step. And yeah, at first we need to enable nDisplay plugin. Go here, type nDisplay, enable, yes, restart. First step we need to, or second step, we need to enable nDisplay in plugins, but at first let's make sure that we have enabled this nDisplay plugin. Yes, it's okay. Go to project settings and go to nDisplay, enable this checkbox, restart. And the third step is use borderless window. Okay, description, yeah, we have this enabled. And next step, restart the Unreal Engine. I don't know why, but let's do it. This is our test project, and yeah, we complete all 5 steps, and we need to continue with quick start guide. Okay, and this is our quick start guide. We skip this step, we complete this step. The next step, set up the configuration file. As I can show you before, I think that my config file working fine, but let me show you what inside this config file. Okay. Yeah, this is my config file. Nothing special. I've used mesh as a projection policy, and yeah, nothing special. So we finish this step, and the next step is so I prefer to run display in editor. So let's add this project. Okay, projects. Okay, this is our config file, and I've select this, and for sure I need to create display cluster for this. And let's use previous project that I show you from start of this video, because this project is working okay. Yeah, that's this project. I just copy paste this. Probably I can migrate this, but I've never tried this, and maybe I do something wrong. I just want to do it in my typical way. Okay, I just create display cluster root actor. Okay, and now I've choose this option because in working project this option also is checked active, and yeah, and nothing more. So next we need to create blueprint for this. Alright, this is our blueprint, and I just copy paste all setup from working project. Okay, and for sure I need to add this geometry. Let me find where is it placed. Del screen, okay. Here we go. This is our Del screen, and so I don't use the default material. I just force delete, because in my working project I do the same. And yeah, now I need to put this geometry in my blueprint. Okay, and copy paste coordinates from my working project. this is my working project, this is my coordinates, copy, and paste. Okay, yeah, everything seems right, and yeah, compile and save. Okay, so now we have our display cluster. I've put this in scene, and that will be fine. And yeah, I think everything is ready to start nDisplay. This is our test project, this is our config. I hit run. And yeah, I get this message, and yeah, this what we get. And nothing special here, nothing special in nDisplay listener for sure, but we have our log for this. And I've sent this log to you. Maybe it helps to understand what happens. And yeah, this is that's what is problem. And I will very appreciate when if you find a way how to fix this. And for sure, if I've missed something, or if you missed something in this instruction or in this instruction, I will be very grateful if you complete this instruction, and yeah, to help our community to create more nDisplay project from scratch. Yeah, so thank you.